Hi guys, welcome back to AJ's Paintings. Today I am going to do another swipe, but this time I'm choosing some colors that I wouldn't usually choose because I'm always drawn towards blues and purple, and I love magenta too, but this time I'm choosing different ones. So I don't know if it's going to work or not, but let's see. So this is, I think it's 8 by 10 canvas. I taped the back and I put some thumb pins to keep it high, and now we're ready to go. Okay, so all my paints are acrylic paints mixed with Floetrol and water, and the consistency is same for all of them. This is Canela Sirocco's recipe. It's 40 grams of acrylic paint, 80 grams of Floetrol, and 30 grams of water. Okay, so I'm going to start with white. I'm running low on this one in this bottle, but I have more, so I don't know if I will need. I'll get it from there. Come out. Okay. So I just made a blue painting, so this one is all blue. Let me just get another stick. Okay. So let's spread this around. I always say this, that I don't leave too much paint on the canvas, otherwise it just ruins it. But you need enough so you can swipe over it. So if you're not getting your swipes right, it could be the reason. The background, the base layer, that you might not be getting it right. So try different consistencies. No, consistency has to be the same. Try different, amount of paint on the canvas. Okay, so good. We had enough. I still feel like there might be a bit more in the middle, so I'm just gonna spread it around because I don't want a puddle in the middle. I'll be putting a lot more paint there. Okay, I'm just gonna run my finger around the edges. Doesn't have to be for the swipe because I always paint it black or white after it dries. I just like it like that with all my tree paintings. So okay, here we go. I see some bubbles in there, so I'm going to pop them first. Very important step. Okay, here's the torch. Okay, good. That's done. All right, now the paints. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Brilliant Red. This is Artist Loft. Okay, oops. Wow, okay. Let's clean this layer quick. Never happened. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I will do it in the middle. Just trying to find my middle. Doesn't really matter if it's not exactly the same on both sides, but I would prefer if it is. There we go. Okay, and on top of that, I'm going to go with copper. No, you know what? I'm gonna do the burnt sienna first. Okay, burnt sienna. So this is the color that I have not used in my swipes so far, for the tree swipes. So let's see what happens. Now I'm going to go for the portrait. See, this is a different choice of colors. Let's see what happens when we do this. Okay, next one is copper. Okay, all of these are Artist Loft paints, Artist Loft acrylic. Usually I swipe with black, but for this one I am going to swipe it with dark blue. So this is metallic blue mixed with black. Okay, I don't have that much left because I used it in a couple of other paintings, but I think it should be enough. Okay, so I'm going to pour this in the middle. I'm not sure if it will work or not, but we'll never know until we try it. Okay, I think I went a little bit on this side, but that's okay. Okay, let's pop those bubbles. Oh no, ran out. Yep. Okay, I'll be back. Let me just fill this up. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, there's something wrong with my torch. It just gave up. So I'm just going to use this for now. If I can turn this on. Okay. Okay, not bad. Fiery. Okay, so I'm gonna use this for the top. All right, that's different. Okay, just going to fix this part. All right. Okay, let's go back on this side. Ooh, I love that copper in there. The portrait is gone. I don't see it at all. Okay, let's try this again. I feel like because this is a different cardboard, it's giving me a different kind of effect. See how? Let's see what happens on the other side. Okay. I actually like that it's not exactly the same. So I can live with it. Ugh. Come on, behave. Okay, it doesn't want to. That's okay. I'll fix it when I'm working with the tree. Okay. Let's see if I can do something in here. Just dipped it a little bit in the paint in the end. I just don't want it to be completely white. Just a little bit of color, and then what I do is once it's completely dry, I actually go back on the sides and I'll take the same colors that I used for the painting, and I would take them and I'll just take a brush and, you know, go on the edges and make sure that everything looks the same. This is really bothering me, so just give me 1 second. I know if I can. Okay, much better. Nice. I feel so different. Oh my god, I'm not used to these colors, so And the dark blue with orange looks really good. It's kind of, yeah, okay. So let's start our tree. This is a new paper too, so I don't know, hold on. Okay, so just going for the tree now. So we'll start in here and go up and tilt. Wipe it clean every time, and this time I'm not going to go too high. There we go. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Just the end is a little bit off. There. Okay, so now we want one in here. Okay. It's a very eerie feeling from this tree. Okay. Here. So I try to make branches as I see could, you know, work. This is really thick, so I feel like I shouldn't fill this up too much. I like the eerie feeling it's giving. It's like a scary tree. I like it. It's so different. Let's see. Something is off in here. This part I feel like is too thick. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go over it like that. So it seems like another branch. Now it's like two branches. There. Good. Sometimes I do this and then I walk away, or I take a picture and then I see if the tree is looking off so I can fix it. No, I think I like better there. Okay. Maybe one in here. Okay, I think I'm going to stop. It's always hard to know when to stop. Yeah. I just keep, yeah, I think I should stop and just do this part a little bit. Okay, perfect. I like it. It's so different. I will show you a close-up from this angle where I can see, and let me know if you like it or not. Leave me a comment, please do. And if you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Like this video, please share, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. I would love it if you can subscribe and, you know, introduce yourself. So thank you so much for watching this long, staying with me. And here's the close-up of the tree. I like that dark blue and that orange. They're working perfectly together. Look at the tree trunk. That's my favorite part. Let me know what's your favorite part. All right, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.